The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak is one of the most iconic and prominent timepieces, arguably the most important watch to be produced as it completely changed the industry. Watch fanatics and enthusiasts know the story behind the making and creation of the Royal Oak, and the impact the model created, sending shockwaves through the world of horology when first introduced in 1972. The man behind the design and creation of the Royal Oak was none other than Gerald Genter. And you could argue, because of this watch, it revived Swiss luxury watchmaking during an era where quartz watches were on the rise. The Royal Oak is Audemars Piguet's specialty, a piece that has evolved from being considered entry level into one that is full of insane and wild complications. Also a model that has many limited editions, which is what makes the Royal Oak extremely sought after. And here today, I have an absolutely stunning Royal Oak to show you, one that I'm a huge fan of, and I'm sure that you viewers will be too. Not only is this piece absolutely stunning, but also extremely special, as this is a limited edition and one that you have definitely not seen or heard of before. Before I get into this video, if you can subscribe to the channel and like this video, that would be massively appreciated. And remember to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. And if you want to buy or sell your watch with us here at Time for Diamonds, be sure to check out the description where you can find a link to our website along with our contact details. Without further ado, let's take a look at this extremely special Royal Oak. This is the Royal Oak Chronograph Maison Dubail, a limited edition of 50 pieces released worldwide by Audemars Piguet for the Dubail boutique in Paris. This is reference 26103 SP, piece number 24 of 50. This beautiful piece features a 39mm stainless steel case with a platinum bezel. The elegant tapisserie dial is in grey with black subdials, accompanied by vibrant red hands and worn comfortably with a black leather strap. When you flip the watch around, you can notice an open caseback to showcase the movement, along with some fine details to reflect the Royal Oak's rarity and tribute to the Dubail boutique. Also, the caseback reinforces that this is number 24 of 50, stating that it is a limited edition for Maison Dubail. The most touching part has to be the company's logo engraved on the rotor, which matches the overall aesthetic of this Royal Oak. In general, the aesthetics of the Royal Oak Dubail is beautiful and very sporty, which in essence is what the Royal Oak stands for. Now, who is Maison Dubail? The origins of the Maison Dubail dates back to the 1960s, opened by Pierre Dubail and his wife in Paris, originally starting out as a jewellery studio. Then in the 80s, Pierre brought in major watchmaking names into his boutique, which is what we see today. A decade later, Pierre's children, Patrice and Isabelle, joined the company to expand the business. And when we look at the current Maison Dubail, it remains a family-owned business and is still a boutique for jewellery and luxury watches. In fact, they are an official retailer for Rolex and Tudor. Other luxury watch brands have created Dubail editions, such as Franck Muller, Roger Dubuis and Piguet. But what is very intriguing about this piece is that Maison Dubail do not stock Audemars Piguet watches, yet they still have their own edition of a Royal Oak. I have not seen any of this model elsewhere on the market, but I have seen a different Royal Oak Dubail edition. I guess that demonstrates how special the Maison Dubail are in the watchmaking and retailing industry. There is very little documented about this watch, with the reasons behind AP creating a Dubail edition being unknown. This is a client's watch, so we asked them if they knew anything about this watch, and they didn't. But what we do know is that this is a very special piece. It is a limited edition, number 24 of 50. So if you are a watch enthusiast or collector out there, this would be a great addition because it is a subtle flex. And who doesn't love a subtle flex? It is not every day we get a special, unique and limited piece in to show you. This is quite something.